Are you facing a frustrating issue where your application keeps asking for a specific version of the .NET framework? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this common problem and help you get your application running smoothly. I completely understand how annoying it can be when you try to migrate your application only to be stopped by an error message. It can feel like you're hitting a brick wall, especially when you know the framework should already be installed. Let's dive into the specific situation. One user reached out saying they are trying to migrate their application from .NET Framework version 4.5 to 4.6.1. They mentioned that their users have Windows 10 November update, which should have .NET Framework 4.6.1 pre-installed. Yet, they keep getting an error message asking to install it. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this issue? The error message indicates that the application is not recognizing the installed version of the .NET framework, even though the registry shows a higher version. This can happen due to several reasons, including incorrect registry entries or compatibility issues. And stay tuned. At the end of this video, I will share a crucial tip that can help prevent this issue from happening in the future. To begin resolving this issue, the user should first confirm that the .NET Framework 4.6.1 is indeed installed on their system. They can do this by checking the registry values. If the correct version is installed, the next step is to ensure that the application is targeting the right framework version. The user should check the project settings in their development environment. Next, the user should verify that all dependencies and libraries used in the application are compatible with .NET Framework 4.6.1. This can prevent version conflicts. Finally, if the application still prompts for installation, the user may need to check for any application configuration files that might be overriding the target framework settings. Fun fact, did you know that .NET Framework has been around since 2002? It's evolved a lot since then, but sometimes older applications can still trip us up. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user encountered a similar issue with a Windows service that wouldn't start due to a missing .NET Framework version. They discovered that the problem was caused by extra spaces in the configuration file. The correct format should not include spaces around the version specification. Now let's dive into a different answer from another user. One user faced a similar issue with SourceTree after updating to a new Windows Insider version. They found that the version number was correct, but they needed to change the SKU attribute in the configuration file. By updating the SKU from .NET Framework version 4.7.1 to 4.7.2, they were able to resolve the error. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. One user found a solution for those encountering issues with .NET Framework version 4.7.2. They recommend updating to version 4.7.3 on the affected servers. This allows the service to still target 4.7.2 while resolving the error. Here's the tip I promised. Always ensure your application is targeting the correct version of the .NET Framework in your project settings. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the .NET Framework version issue and get your application running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and remember to share your experiences in the comments.